Hello, welcome to Skill Macondo. The initial phases of establishing a business often lack the allure one might expect. In reality, they are far from glamorous. For instance, did you realize that Airbnb faced numerous rejections while attempting to secure funding? To generate their initial funds, they resorted to selling collectible cereal. Similarly, Ben Silverman, the creator of Pinterest, encountered 10 refusals from investors before finally obtaining his funding. Yet another investor, Ron Conway of SV Angel, initially turned down some of the biggest names in technology, including Pandora and Salesforce, during their infancy. Welcome to the realm of startups and pitching to investors. I can personally attest to the fact that the fundraising journey in the early stages of a business can feel quite overwhelming, unsure about where to begin or whom to follow. In this course, we will first define the terminology and key figures involved in venture capital, ensuring you understand the jargon. Following that, we will explore how to leverage your existing network to connect with suitable investors and prepare for actual meetings and pitches. Reflect on renowned businesses like Airbnb and Pinterest during their formative periods. Now, consider the current status of your own venture, frameworks and resources to initiate a fruitful fundraising journey. So let's dive in.